Welcome, do-it-yourself and woodworking fans of cyberspace, to the Labor Day edition of Chip's Woodshop. Today, a kind neighbor set a broken hammock frame out on the curb, which I picked up and brought home to use with a hammock I bought years ago in Mexico. It's sized for a whole family, so bigger than what this frame was made to hold. I pulled the loops down with some rope to see where I wanted to put the hooks. Now to drill some new holes through the steel tubing for the hooks. So this project only requires drilling a couple of holes in a piece of tubing like this one. Already used our handy center punch to mark the hole where we want it. And so now we're going to drill through the pipe. And for that we're going to use a very handy fixture made from plywood. It's a V-block. So this is just a piece of plywood and then a couple more pieces of plywood cut at a 45-degree angle, and you use it on a drill press to hold round things in place so you can drill through the side of them. So we'll do that now. I'm going to start the hole on each piece with a center drill, which I've mounted not in my Jacob's chuck, but it's actually a center drill that I mounted in this router bit holder, which is a 1/4-inch router bit holder. And I find that the Shopsmith spindle speed is far too slow to be used as a router. Well, for me to use it as a router. But it works great for holding things of a particular size, nice and straight and true to the spindle center line. So now we're going to locate this V-block. What I do for that is bring the spindle down just so the point of it fits in the V. Then I clamp my block in place so that it doesn't move on me. Two will probably work. Safety glasses. Turn the speed down a little bit for metal. I'm going to use a little bit of oil right there. Then we'll put the Jacob's chuck back on. Drill the hole up to size. And I'll go ahead and start with the 1/4 inch. Eventually we're going to drill out to 3/8. till we get to the size that we want. Now that we've cut the holes that we want, I'm just going to clean them up with the file and countersink bit, just to take the ragged edge off. It's just a countersink bit and a handle.
You can read about my projects at chipswoodshop.com. If you're interested in this project or other woodworking projects of mine, subscribe so you'll be notified when I post a new one.